if you are running Facebook ads without a backup plan, you're risking your entire business, and you are like risking your ad account also, that can also get banned. So now I'm going to tell you like how you can never lose your ad account, never be in the fall in the trap of ad rejection, and the most important, that you are not able to like get your business manager get rejected. That is the topmost one. And I will tell you that like how, what are the ways that you can deal with meta ad rejection. Okay, and I have made a guide and I've written an article on my LinkedIn profile regarding this. And if you want that link, do hit the subscribe button or like just DM in the in the chat in the comment section. Okay. Now, so there are multiple ways like why ad account ban happen, why ad rejection happen. So there are multiple things when we run Facebook ads. Okay. It means that we have to adhere to the guidelines, strict policies of Facebook ad platform. Otherwise, we cannot just run anything on in terms of saying that we want to run ads. For example, so in this video, like I will need to cover about why Meta rejects ads and disable accounts, how to fix a rejected ad, how to discover a disabled ad account, what are the strategies that you need to that are needed to prevent your ad account safely. Okay. So first of all, let's understand about why does Meta reject ads and disable accounts. Okay. The the most common is like when you violate Meta ad policies. Okay. And for example, it happens in like three ways basically, mostly in terms of money and health. Okay, when you are claiming something which is not resonating to the maybe that is not humanly possible. Okay, for example, saying that you are saying that earn 10 lakh rupees in 30 days is not allowed. Okay, so these kind of misclaiming lead claims you cannot just write on your ads in terms of video script or image ads. Earlier, Facebook has this image recognition inside it that I actually read all of your texts, and there is a, earlier it was like you can only use 20% of text, and rest 80% of the it would be images only. Okay, the thing like direct targeting. Okay, when you are you cannot say something like are you struggling with weight loss, are you having this disease, are you suffering from this thing. Okay, nowadays ad policies has gotten little bit less strict, but also you have to find out the diplomatic way or some kind of twist in your words to resonate your messaging. Okay, and the third way is like you cannot use your before and after images. Okay, Facebook bans this exaggerated transformation claims. Okay, although they are right, but Facebook do not have this policy of like you can run before and after images. You can use it in a subtle way in form of video. Okay, and so for example, you can say, yeah, so to overcome all of these pointers, rewrite you have to rewrite your ad, you have to rewrite your image creative briefs. Okay, so that you focus on the process, not the result. Okay, so that you should not be claiming any specific profit, money in your ad angles. For example, you can say um, close premium clients. Okay, do not say like you will be able to make your business revenue to 10 lakh rupees in this first month. Okay, so this is the way. Instead, for example, instead of saying that lose 20 kg of fat or maybe weight, you can say something like try my sustainable fitness plan to feel healthier, to feel more energetic, and all of these things. Now, the second reason is like your ad account has a limited history. For example, new ad accounts. Okay, new accounts running high spend ads too fast may get suspicious. For example, if you are having a new ad account and you are just like putting more money just because you want to like try out few things, or maybe you have a new ad account and you want to spend more on WhatsApp messaging. Okay, so you always have to start with low budget ads, and so that you have that kind of history. And it's always preferred to use a ad account that has a past history. Basically, some kind of experience, more money has spent on that ad account, so that the pixel and everything, the traffic and everything is now little bit get experience and have that data inside it. Okay, so you can do warm up your ad account with engagement ads, before running your conversion ads, but like it's not that mandatory. But you can start with low budget, and only Facebook will tell you like when your ad account will get higher ad spend limits, and generally it takes around 2 weeks, 1 to 2 weeks to increase your ad spend limits. Okay. Now, if your ad account has having multiple ads are rejected, okay, and you are not doing anything related to it, then your ad account might get restricted, okay, and then you either have to create a new ad account, or maybe we have to talk to the support, okay. If so, if you are getting more ads rejected, then your ad account is at risk, okay. So what you can do not resubmit the ads immediately after rejection. Have a look at the what policies it has disturbed, okay, which policies it is not adhering to. Now what you can do is, now just go to the chat GPT and say like, hey chat GPT, this ad got rejected. So let me know like which policy, according to which policy of Facebook, my ad is not adhering and comply with meta ad policies. And then you can do it. Okay. Unverified. The next pointer is like through which ad account is getting banned is through unverified business manager or payment issues. When you're having multiple payment failures in your ad account, okay, or in your whole business manager say that, then then Facebook will ban your ad account. Okay, so it means, for example, you do not have proper information about your Facebook page, you do not have proper information about who are the admins, okay, and admins are joined your Facebook manager, but they are not real IDs, okay, and all of these things. So you have to verify your identity and businesses, and there Facebook gives you an option of verification of your business manager, and also use the reliable payment methods such as credit cards, credit line, okay, or nowadays you can also have your prepaid ad account, okay, and then you can go ahead. Okay. So now how to deal with meta ads rejection. Okay, when an ad got rejected, so there is a Facebook gives you an option. When it reject you, it will tell you like this ad got rejected due to this policy. Okay. Now now the thing that you have to do is you have to adjust the wording, images to comply with the meta policies, and you can take help Chat GPT here also. Remove the words like guaranteed, fast result, weight loss, and all of those things. Okay, diabetes, or talking about any kind of disease as per se. Okay, and if you feel like your ad is already complying with everything, then you can ask for a manual renew manual what manual review. Yes, then you can ask for a manual review. Okay, and then if it is not, if it's the issue is still persisting, then you can contact with meta support and the live chat, and then you can have a talk with them. And to talk with them, what is the exact script you have to use? I have wrote that article. If you want that link, do comment in the comment section, and I will just like DM you, or like just in the tag in the description only. Okay. So these are the like so some of the strategies to keep your ad account safe is like warm up your ad account. Start with engagement and video ads which are at very low risk. Avoid high budget ads immediately for new ad accounts. Obviously you can do for older ad accounts. Comply with meta ad policies. Review what are the guidelines, policies that you have to adhere for the running meta ads. Avoid exaggerated claims, sensitive topics, misleading ads, okay, and all of those things that you have to avoid. Okay. And if have multiple admins on your business manager in case your profile is restricted, or maybe someone's as profile is got restricted, so that ad account access is always with someone as a backup. Now also create a backup ad account in business manager, so that that ad account is always ready in case you face something related to ban or something. Okay. Use a verified business email and payment methods. Okay. Avoid spamming ads and rapid changes. Do not have too many rejected ads that will make your ad account at risk. Okay. And do not edit your ads too much, okay, while they are running. And the most important, the fifth point is like you have to maintain a very good Facebook page reputation. It means that you have to engage with people on your Facebook comments. You have to fulfill all the about sections of it, all the necessary details that is required, and that will make your page score a little higher and then you're running the ads. So and it will not get rejected. Do not use low quality landing pages, testimonial, fake testimonials, okay, AI generated testimonials. Do not use those things at all. Okay, so the final takeaways with this, like dealing with meta ad rejection and account disability, is that if your ad is rejected, edit and request a manual review. If your account is disabled, appeal via Meta account quality section, prevent future issues and all of those things. And if you feel like you need the script, what you need to email to them or what you need to chat with them, then you can always DM me. I will love to help you out. And so let me know in the comment section, like, have you ever faced these kind of rejections or issues? And yeah, so this is it, and this is like my new type of content creation through the YouTube. I want to like level up the content creation journey. So now I recorded this kind of video format instead of a selfie kind of. Do let me know how it is, what are the things that I can improve upon, work upon, and then yeah, we'll grow together. Thank you so much.